Hi, my name is Heather Roberts and I'm the co-founder of RSG Sales. We are an e-commerce account management firm. A few days ago, I had the difficult conversation with a family who wanted to expand their e-commerce presence. It was a small business, does less than $60,000 a year, and they are in the home foods and vegan snack categories. The problem is this: the company has grown, by 10 to 20,000, for the last few years. The company's 7 years old. They had done in 2019, like I said, just a little under $60,000, and had a goal set to double that for 2020. Well, the pandemic hit, and their brick and mortar business, dried up. They do have their own website, but it's not anything that really was bringing in, a large amount of revenue. This company decided they wanted to partner and expand with Amazon. So this is really important, I think. When you want to go and grow your e-commerce sales channel, you need to look at, are you a good fit for that particular partner? In the case of this particular company and family, I had the hard conversation with the mother-daughter owner team and say, due to the long lead time of making your product and the expenses associated with selling to Amazon, I just don't think this is a sustainable business model. In order for you to be able to grow and scale to the level that you want and make this a successful account, you need capital and cash. You need money to be able to do pay-per-click. You need to be able to run part of the lightning deals and participate in everything that you possibly can. And they don't have the cash to do that. So sometimes when we talk with people and we discover, is this something that we can work together? We have to sometimes tell people and companies the hard truth. It's not always a fit. And in this case, I truly don't believe that working with Amazon is a good fit for this company. If you have any questions or you're in this situation, go to rsgsales.com and book a call, and we can jump on and talk things through. If we can help, we will definitely do that. But if we can't, we also tell you that too. All right, I hope everybody has a great day, and we'll talk soon.